heard it right. We're back again. Jeff Zambello and James P. Madonna are back at the Royal Hibachi Buffet, Route 46 West, Saddlebrook, New Jersey. And it's Monday. It's only Monday. But it's raining, it's freezing, cold, damp, and rainy. And it's the day after Mother's Day. And look how peaceful it is. Look, there's nobody here.
And there's still no Wi-Fi in Austin, Texas.
And there's still no Wi-Fi in Austin, Texas. Anyway, I need to start. Nah, you know what? I'm all right. I didn't touch anything dirty or questionable with my hands, so I can. Boom, boom. Let's see what we got here. The crab, the shrimp. We got it's a sushi. Got whitings over here. What's that? Stuffed flounder, fillet, and shrimp. And no, I'm confused. I don't know if I'm in the mood for a whiting. So take a little whiting. Okay. Let's see what we got going here. Boom. Got Arabic rice. All right. Okay. Yeah. Cockles. I had cockles yesterday. What the hell? I honestly don't know what the hell I want. Chicken and broccoli. I gotta find something I can have with this whiting. All right. Even though my urine's gonna stink to high heavens, I'll take some grilled asparagus. This is part 2 of Commodore Jeff Zambello at the Royal Hibachi Buffet, the post kettlebell event.
No, he started eating.
Yeah, I know. He's a professional athlete. He did competition, powerlifting competition, and he wanted to come. He wanted to come back because he's going home Thursday morning. And I told him we were here yesterday. You want to come here again? He goes, oh no.
He needs me.
He says, I need a lot of fish.
He needs me.
He needs meat, he needs fish, he needs everything. Yeah.
He needs me.
It's very peaceful here. You should have all century duck egg. This whole thing should be century duck egg.
Luckily, maybe nobody coming to me.
Yeah, the black ones. Okay, here you go. Buffalo hot wings for the very finest in Buffalo hot chicken wings to go. Royal Hibachi. You can come in, buy them in bulk for your next sporting event party at home. You can get the Buffalo hot wings to go. All right. All right. Let's see what we got here. Oh, there you go. I can get some mussels. Turkish salad. Look at the freshness of. Ooh, do you see what I see? Holy crap! Oh yeah, I see hummus. Hummus. Okay, there we are. Don't ask me, oh, well, you can ask me what's in there. I got a whiting, no relation to Whitey Ford. I got the gigantic labia green lip mussels. I got hummus, which is a Middle Eastern delight, made from lemon, chickpeas, garlic, olive oil. I got a whiting in there. I think I said that already, right? Whitey Ford. I got grilled asparagus on the bottom that will make my urine stink to high heavens, but I love it. And this is part 2 in the visit. There he is, sucking down that high protein, high nutrition food, a drug-free, competitive athlete. Look at that, look at that, look at the horseshoe, Jeff Zambello.
No mitochondria.
Well,
It's like there's no Wi-Fi in Austin, Texas.
and you're not
Like a
gonna
Salt Lick.
and you're not gonna nourish your muscles in at BJ Steakhouse either.
No,
No way.
no.
Okay.
Not,
Now,
when they pick their nose.
now I will commence eating. Okay, here I have some white tuna, bluefin tuna, and unagi, roasted eel. Roasted eel with unagi sauce, which is thick, soy sauce for the wasabi. And hopefully there'll be enough flan left.
You think I care about boys? I care about
I hope to God they put out more flan, because I definitely want flan with my choice of ice cream.
Okay, I'm
All right, sushi time. Yeah, you're right. No crab soup or lobster
I
bisque.
want some crab soup or lobster bisque.
This has been a Mega Life 21 production.